Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the motor of a Dyson DC29 vacuum cleaner. First, let's discuss the tools you'll need for this process. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will streamline your repair. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, remove the canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off. This will expose the motor compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside. A clean environment will help your vacuum operate more efficiently. If you find it challenging to do this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the motor. You'll see several wires connected to it. Carefully disconnect these wires by noting where each one connects. This will make reassembly easier. Next, use your Torx screwdriver to remove the bolts securing the motor in place. Keep these bolts with the screws you removed earlier. With the motor loose, gently pull it out of the compartment. Before installing the new motor, check the compartment for any additional dirt or damage. If everything looks good, take your new motor and carefully insert it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, ensuring they match the original configuration. If you're unsure, refer to a diagram or take a picture before removing the old motor. This step is crucial for proper functionality. Now, secure the motor with the bolts you previously removed. Use your Torx screwdriver to tighten them, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the motor. Next, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Once everything is in place, reattach the canister. Make sure it clicks securely into position. If at any point you feel overwhelmed or lack the tools, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't need to make any calls or travel to get professional help. Once your vacuum is reassembled, plug it in and turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, you've successfully completed the replacement. Before you finish, always remember to keep track of any extra screws or components. Finally, if you run into any issues or have questions about the repair, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson DC29 vacuum. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.